AI can now make your presentation in just 30 seconds. In this video, I'll show you 5 best AI tools that can create presentations for you without wasting time. Once again, welcome back to Ray Creators Lab. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit that subscribe button now. Like and share this video, and remember to turn on the notification. Don't forget to check out the links to these tools in the description of this video. Also, I have the links to other AI tools you should be using as a creator in the description. Kindly check it out. Now let me show you the 5 best AI tools to create your presentation. The first one we want to look at is Pop AI. Number 2 on our list is Desktopus AI.
Imagine a world where presentations meet artificial intelligence. I bet Elon didn't see this coming. So, how does it work? Write down the topic or title of your presentation and let Desktopus do the thinking. Pick your goal for the presentation to optimize the suggested content. Now you have a first draft in your hands to start working. What if you still need help from Desktopus? Here's how to reach out. There are magic buttons everywhere. You can use them to get suggested images and icons, ready-to-use slide content, and fully crafted slide notes and presenter scripts. It's your time to shine now. Share your work and impress your audience without breaking a sweat.
Next, we have Gamma AI. Then, on our number 4 list, we have Slides AI. let me introduce you to SlideSpeak AI. Let's hear from Kelvin from SlideSpeak.
Hey everyone, this is Kevin from SlideSpeak, and today I'm going to walk you through how you can easily summarize Word documents with AI using SlideSpeak. I'm already on our website, slidespeak.co, and once you're here, simply click on the Try Now button in the top right corner, and it will take you to the upload interface. Here you can now upload your Word document. I've already prepared one document, so I'm going to select that. You have to enter your email address here, and then confirm the upload by clicking on Upload. And then it takes the AI a little bit to analyze your file. And once that's done, you will see a preview of your file. So that's it. This is the Word document that I've just uploaded. And now you'll find on the right side here a chat interface, which is very similar to ChatGPT. And here you can now either type out a prompt by yourself or pick some of the commands that we've suggested for you. I'm gonna type it out here, summarize this document for me, and then simply submit that by clicking the send button here. And now what the AI will do is we'll summarize this entire document for you in a couple of sentences. So it's pretty easy and straightforward. If you have any particular questions about the document, or you have some questions that you need to answer about the content of the Word document, you can also ask that here. And the AI will simply be able to answer that. So this is really how it works. It's very easy and straightforward, and I'm really excited to have that in our product. If you have any feedback or any questions about how it works, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.